What led me to getting solar art was some months back, I was a victim of a home invasion robbery at my residence. 3 suspects ended up breaking in my home through my window while I was home. As you can imagine, it was a very traumatic experience. Fortunately, because I'm a police officer and I was off duty at the time, I was able to defend myself against the 3 suspects that came into the residence. Ultimately, it ended up in a shooting in my own home where 2 of the suspects got away. 1 of the suspects was shot. After that experience, it really opened my eyes as the security in my home, or I should say the lack of, rather. I spoke to some of my partners at work, and one of them had turned me on to solar art security film. He showed me some YouTube videos, and when I saw it, I was instantly bought and sold. And within 2 weeks of the phone call, here you guys are. When I'm at work and I'm going 100 miles an hour, I don't want to have to worry about home when I'm at work. When I'm at work, my focus should be at work, not worried about the safety of my family. When I come home from work, I want to be able to turn the switch off and relax, and I haven't been able to do that. I know now that with the security film installed, when I'm home, I can turn it off. When I'm home, I know that I'm able to defend myself because I'm a police officer. My family shouldn't have to go through that when I'm not home. When I'm not home, I want to make sure that they're secure. I want to make sure that they're safe and protect themselves when I'm not here. So that's one of the major benefits of having solar art security film installed in my home.